Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds of rock hard muscle and transform their body and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy as fast as possible. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you 3 super easy bulking breakfast recipes that you can use in the next 30 days to gain your first 10 pounds and start bulking up fast. Now, before we get into today's video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're a skinny guy, a naturally skinny guy with a fast metabolism, you wanna bulk up, maybe you want meal plans, workouts, recipes, tips and tricks on how to bulk up, we've got it all on this channel for you. So please make sure to subscribe right now. And if you've been following me for a while, make sure after this video to click the first link down in my description and go get yourself my free bulking plan. It's gonna show you the exact steps you need to take in the next 30 days to start bulking up successfully. So let's get straight into the 3 recipes I wanna share with you. So one of the major things that I find with a lot of skinny guys is they struggle to get in breakfast, they don't know what to eat, and their meals probably suck, okay? Maybe your meals suck, maybe they're really hard to prepare, or they don't really give you much calories, or they're hard to eat. Well, today's recipes are gonna be amazing for you. Super high calorie recipes, super easy to prepare, gonna help you bulk up, get in your macronutrients, your protein, carbs, and fats. So first recipe is avocado, mushrooms, and eggs on toast. Very, very simple recipe I use all the time. It's got a ton of calories. Let me put it up on your screen right now. So as you can see, preparation time is about 10 to 20 minutes. You're gonna need 1 clove of garlic. You're gonna need 40 grams of mushrooms, 60 grams of raw avocado. You're gonna need some coconut oil, half a tablespoon, 2 eggs, and 2 slices of bread. So you can basically do the preparation instructions for yourself. I'm not gonna read them out because it is quite long, but again, very, very simple. I've taken all these recipes from my customized coaching program where we basically create meal plans for our clients to bulk up as fast as possible. So if you're interested in that after this, make sure to check this out in the links below, okay? So nutritional info, this recipe is gonna give you 504 calories. It's gonna give you 23 grams of protein, 49 grams of carbs, and 24 fats. So try this recipe out for yourself in the next 30 days to start bulking. So second recipe is date and maple pro oats. If you don't know already, dates are a very, very good source of carbohydrates. Gonna help you boost up your carbohydrate intake. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Very simple recipe for you to try. Ingredients, you're gonna need some whey protein powder. If you don't have whey, you can use any type of non-dairy protein powder if you're allergic to dairy. You can use like pea protein, soy protein, egg protein, it's all gonna work. So 1 scoop of protein, 60 grams of raw oats. You're gonna need 200 mils of full fat milk, some Majol dates, basically 1 or 2 dates for this recipe, a pinch of cinnamon, and some maple syrup, okay? So again, preparation instructions are on your screen, so make sure to screenshot it and use this recipe. 576 calories for you, 41 protein, 79 carbohydrates, and 12 grams of fat. Last recipe for you is my egg white omelette on pizza recipe. So simple. This is a really, really good recipe to kickstart your day, get in some macros for the day. So preparation time is 10 minutes. You're gonna need ingredients wise, 200 mils of egg whites. Try and get those cartons of egg whites because they are super easy to pretty much pour onto the pan. Mixed green veg, you can pick anything like onions, you know, whatever you want basically. Sometimes I use corn. You need 2 pieces of pita bread, okay? And some olive oil. So 1 teaspoon, a little bit more, basically to make it taste a little bit better, okay? Not so dry. So preparation instructions are on your screen right now. So make sure to use it in the next 30 days. And this recipe is gonna give you 429 calories, 41 protein, 79 carbohydrate, and 12 fat. So I hope you enjoyed these recipes. I really want to break it down as fast as possible for you so you can basically take it away and start using it, start getting results. If you do like these recipes and you enjoy these recipes and you find they help you, these are basically taken from my customized coaching program. And basically I build recipes and meal plans with these kinds of recipes for my clients to bulk up as fast as possible. So if you're struggling with not knowing what to eat every single day, maybe you don't have a meal plan to follow, maybe you don't know how many calories you need to eat to bulk up, maybe you don't even know what kind of foods you should be eating. Well, if you're interested, I can build you a customized meal plan and also a workout program to basically follow every single day so you can get results on autopilot. So if you're interested in that, again, it's in the links below and you can check out that customized coaching program. But again, hope you enjoyed today's video and I will see you in the next one. Peace.